Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the serial number, which appear at the bottom of this pop-out window. So let's tap on OK, and now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then scroll down and go to the software information. And as you can see, on the third position we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.